Flutter Benefits Overview. Technical and Businesses Advantages in 2021 by ProCoders. What is Flutter? Flutter is a set of open-source development tools for creating modern cross-platform applications from Google. It appeared back in 2015 and was called the Sky. Then it could only work for Android and render about 120 frames per second. 3 years later, Google carried out a large-scale coup, announcing the creation of the first stable version of Flutter. It has improved its productivity by making it possible to work simultaneously with Android and iOS, Windows, Linux, and updates are easily found in the public domain. Facts and statistics. Simple framework with UI elements. Flutter is not only a simple framework with UI elements like buttons, sliders, etc., but also a full-fledged software development kit that is everything you need to create high-quality applications. Flutter consists of API interfaces, ready-made diverse widgets, and its mechanism for visualization, command line tools, etc. Dart language. Flutter is based on Dart language, which is quite productive and easy to learn. Now you can enjoy beautiful widgets that are easily accessible, because you have your hot engine with high-performance rendering. It has huge visual capabilities because you can safely create your own design for the application by choosing the appropriate user interface elements. This is one of the strongest Flutter advantages. The popular apps or products developed on Flutter. Xianyu for Alibaba. Alibaba has created a built-in app in Xianyu, and has already received over 50 million downloads. That is a huge result of cooperation with modern society's demands and business needs which Flutter created. Motors app by eBay. This is a powerful guide created in Flutter to browse, buy and sell all types of vehicles directly from customers. Here the real bright pictures as benefits of Flutter help owners to make a deal in the shortest possible time. And buyers find the car of their dreams. Flutter Advantages List. Technical side. Quick start. If you have started cooperation with Flutter, then a quick start begins. The process of installing and running the Flutter environment will take no more than half an hour, and you are ready to start moving forward on the path to a new application. This is one of the huge amounts of Flutter benefits. High performance. Application performance is probably one of the key categories when developing a good UX. Flutter 1.17 improved rendering performance by 50% on new iOS devices and reduced memory consumption by over 70%. This fact displays the great picture of Flutter advantages around another software development kit you choose to follow. Flutter benefits. Business side. Economical side. In the past, you would have had to develop apps separately for Android and iOS using 2 development teams to meet the needs of all your potential customers. Now you don't need to do this. All you should do is turn to a reliable outsourcing team that can bring all Flutter advantages to your project. Powerful support. Google values its brainchild and strives to create a strong support community, helping to develop Flutter itself, developers, and companies that work with this kit. And although some people are still skeptical of the young and progressive Flutter, it is not slowing down and is gaining popularity around the world, collaborating with world leaders such as eBay, Alibaba, BMW, Google, the New York Times. ProCoders Advice. To use or not to use Flutter in your future projects? This is an important question on the agenda of many business owners. But despite the young age, the stage of growth, and minor shortcomings, experts around the world are sure that the advantages of using Flutter are much stronger and risks are minimal. Conclusion. A simple code that creates a bright juicy image of your application at high speeds, which conveys information to each of your users. This sounds like something unrealistic. But the world has changed so much that the supernatural in the past is commonplace now. Making dreams come true and doing it beautifully and correctly without much difficulty should become the slogan of the coming 2021. Subscribe our channel and read more about Flutter benefits overview technical and businesses advantages in 2021 at ProCoders blog.